we are one of my favorite portfolio, the project Bukit Timah, and welcome! So this is a foyer of the house. I want to make the whole house cozy and yet it's a little bit like subtle luxury. So you can see the whole house I come with like the wood elements and also a little bit of black color to add the palettes as the highlight of the house. So you can see the foyer with the texture wallpaper in front of this is this unique wall lights. I love the shape of it, it's very minimal design, and I would suggest have a mirror, full height mirror for my clients so they can check out themselves before they leave the house. And one important thing is the settee area. So this is the settee shelf. You can see it's suspended and the design is very sleek. One special thing of this is I especially make it two layers in the design. So you can see because the whole thing inside there is a steel to hold it. So that's why it can be so sleek. So yeah, I purposely make it like a layering design like this. Then yeah, even you know like you know my weight is also can hold it. Okay, so come into the house. Okay, so come to this place. It's a very cute area. So this is my clients, because my clients they don't have a lot of shoes. So they're okay with just like a small shoe cabinet, and you can see on top with some small thing for my clients to put their keys, and the bottom will be the shoe storage lah. Also you can see this shoe cabinet is also with curved corners and also wood, and I like this wall art very much because this house right, I want to give it a little bit of organic feel, so purposely choose this woody wall art for this house. Yeah, and it looks very good with the wallpaper section behind. So coming to the living area, so this house is actually a 4-meter high. It's very spacious. What people usually do, right, is the sofa will be at the end of the house, right, like this part behind me. Okay, so they often use the dining area as their working table. Yeah, so we prefer to have a spacious area for our dining. So that's the reason why we move our dining into the existing living room. Yeah, which is here. You can see it's very good with the balcony and the tall sliding door behind. And after that, this will be our sofa area. Yeah, so sofa area purposely we choosing the L shape so we can kind of like separate the dining and the living. Okay, so one unique thing that share with you guys, so you can see this wall, right, instead of just one color of wallpapers, I purposely choose different texture and also different color of wallpaper to have a mix and match like this, and then continue with horizontal sleek wall lights. At night, my clients they enjoy to watching their TV, they can actually just on these wall lights and then will be very cozy. Instead of a horizontal console, right, because we already getting a L-shaped sofa, so instead of a horizontal TV console, I make it vertical instead. So plenty of storage here with air trap, which is a movable shelf inside. I play a lot with flaming design. So you can see my feature wall is also this kind of flaming with wood texture laminate. So come to one of my favorite place in the house, which is the dining. Okay, suggest my client to get two big mirror in the house, so it's kind of like can reflect the area and make the space is like looks a lot bigger, and then reflected with this big wall art that I chose for my clients. So I want to match with the foyer one, you remember, so that's why this is also something very organic abstract wall art and looks very good with this dining table, and then of course our fabric dining chair. I can see the styling item that I bought for my clients is also kind of like organic texture. Already go for something organic, right? Just go all out of it, which is you can have more texture in the house. Curtains, right? I also using like more linen type of texture for this house. Yeah. So now let us come to the this main case is very straightforward lah. My clients he just need a study table and then his own setup. Okay, and of course wallpaper we have something more texture and dark for his man cave. Yes, and then yeah, let's go to another one because you know Bo is very feminine person, right? So I love this room. Yay! I know every one of you will love this room. Okay, so with a simple setup of a study table and chair, so that I also suggest my client to have something curved elements with in the furniture, and you can see our chair also. And I'm very happy that my client she love this kind of texture, fabric texture. So we purposely get this chair and this sofa to match it together. It's from different suppliers, but yeah, we purposely match it. And I love the texture of the rug also. So all these things come out together, right? It looks so like I really love this kind of vibe. Yeah, and also come with this wall art. I think wall art is very important. Okay, so now let us go to the master room. I go for more like masculine feel and more hotel kind of vibe. So you can see even the texture of the wallpaper, I go for the organic cement texture wallpaper. And because the wardrobe is already built by developer, so I cannot do anything with it. But luckily it comes with a fabric texture lah. So at the opposite of the wall, I also choose a texture fabric wallpaper to match everything. And if you remember the framing design in the living room, I also bring it to our master, so everything will look very timeless. And I want to play like a layering design, right? So behind I have a mirror and come up with this very cute wall lights, dark laminates, and the styling here, so it looks really cozy. So thank you guys to have a quick tour with us, and hope you like this design. Please help us like and share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.